Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to enable Siri on iPhone, so without further ado, let's get started. First is to open your settings and go to the Siri. So after that, click the Talk to Siri, and as you can see it's turned off. Now you have to select whether you want Siri or Hey Siri, so it depends on what you want. Enable for you to call the assistance of Siri whenever you need something on your iPhone. So once you select the option of Siri or Hey Siri, it's automatically turned on, and as you can see, I've just tried it on my device, and then that's it. That's easily how you can do that. Thank you so much for watching. If you ever find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.